Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the colorful world of Charlie and friends. Today, we're going on a magical journey to learn about different colors. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
What a beautiful day. I wonder what colors we will see today. Our first color is red. Red is the color of the apples. Red is such a bright and happy color. It's the color of apples, fire trucks, and roses. Next is blue. Look up, Casey. The sky is a beautiful blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. It's calm and cool. Yellow is the color of sunshine. It's a happy and bright color. Yellow is the color of sunflowers, lemons, and school buses. It makes me feel cheerful. Green is all around us in nature. It's the color of leaves and grass. Green is everywhere in nature. It's the color of trees, grass, and frogs. Purple is a special color. It's often seen as royal and mysterious. Purple is the color of grapes, lavender, and some butterflies. It's so pretty and unique. Orange is a warm and vibrant color. It's the color of oranges and autumn leaves. Orange is so bright and fun. It's the color of pumpkins, carrots, and tigers. We're going to explore a very special color, black. Black is everywhere and it's full of surprises. When the sun sets, the sky turns black, sprinkled with twinkling stars. Black is the color of the night sky, mysterious and deep. Let us discover the color white, a color that's as magical as a snowflake and as peaceful as a cloud. White is all around us in nature. It's the color of snow, white sandy beaches, and fluffy clouds floating in the sky. Warm and earthy color brown. Brown is cozy, comforting, and all around us. Look around in nature, and you'll find brown everywhere. It's the color of tree trunks, rich soil, and pebbles on a path. Color that's as cheerful as a blooming flower, pink. Pink is playful, pretty, and full of fun. Nature loves pink too. Look at these beautiful pink flowers and the pink sky at sunrise. Color that's as versatile as it is mysterious, gray. Gray is everywhere, and it's full of surprises. Gray often colors the sky on cloudy and rainy days. It brings a peaceful calm before the rain. We've had so much fun and learned a lot together. Remember, every day is a chance to discover something new and exciting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Your support means the world to us.